Hello, I'm Carrie, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. In this video, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process on how I do mini twists on my daughter's hair. At first, you will see me prep her hair. I'm going to put a deep condition in her hair, and I'm going to detangle it. I'm going to let that set for about an hour, rinse that out, and then I'm going to braid it to stretch her hair out overnight, and then you'll see me do the mini twist in her hair. So if you like hair related content, please consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope y'all enjoy the rest of this video. First, I'm going to start off by parting her hair, and I'm going to deep condition it. And the deep conditioner that I'm using is the African Pride Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Heat Activated Mask. I'm going to detangle her hair with a deep conditioner, and this deep conditioner is pretty good about detangling her hair, and you can probably already tell that her hair is very thick and super textured. After I get her hair all detangled, I'm just going to put her hair in about 6 twists. Then I'm going to put a plastic bag over her head so I can go ahead and deep condition it.
Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Oh!
After the deep condition, I'm going to go ahead and put a towel over her head for about 30 minutes. And I put the towel over her head to soak up most of the water. And then you'll see me braid her hair up. And this is what's going to stretch her hair out overnight. This is the next day, and I'm just braiding her hair, and let me just show y'all exactly what I'm working with. I mean, her hair is down the middle of her back, so that's one reason why I put braids in her hair, to stretch it, because it makes the process a whole lot easier. When I do mini twists, I do put them in sections, and the only product that I'm going to be using is this leave-in cream by African Pride. And I noticed with the African Pride products that they work really good on her hair, and they smell really good too, so which is always a plus. So I'm going to rub that on the bottom section of her hair, and then I'm going to start the mini twist. One reason why I wanted to bring my daughter on here is because her hair is a totally different texture than mine. It's definitely in the type 4 category. So yeah, just because her hair is very kinky, it still can be pretty healthy. So that's the one reason why I wanted to bring her on here. Plus, she was running around with this puff with her edges sticking out, and I was like, girl, I want to do something with this. So I know we're in quarantine, but we don't have to look like we're struggling in quarantine. So yeah, that's the reason why I wanted to do her hair. So that's why I took the time to prepare her hair for the mini twist. That way, I'm hoping this style can last at least 3 weeks. Hoping for 4. But her hair is so thick and long, and not including the 1,000 breaks that we took, because this style did take about 5 hours to do. But she was a really good sport. She had her cell phone watching TV. So yeah. So I'm just going to go ahead and continue to do the mini twist on her hair, and I'm going to show y'all a couple of close-ups. Right here, I'm going to slow it down just a little bit. I don't part every little section. I just use my fingernail to measure about how much hair I need for the next twist. And I do work in sections from front to back. At the beginning of each twist, I kind of tug at the root to make it taut, because the twists are going to naturally loosen up a bit and puff out. I'm just going to go ahead and speed this up a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and twist a couple of more. In the next clip, you'll see about 3/4 of her hair done, because I know nobody wants to sit through hundreds of little twists getting twisted up. So yeah. Also, I forgot to mention, at the end of each twist, I go ahead and coil it up at the ends so they won't become loose. The last part of the video I didn't record, but to preserve her style at night, what she does is sleep in a satin bonnet. And about every 3 days, I lightly mist her hair with water and oil. And the oil that I use is also from African Pride, which is called the Moisture Miracle 5 Essential Oils. Last one, hallelujah. So this is how I do mini twists. I think the style looked so cute on her, and she really liked the way that it turned out. Also, if you have any questions or any content you'd like to see, please drop a comment down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I appreciate everyone who takes the time to watch. And until next time, I will talk to y'all later.